So welcome back to the Money Guy channels in Monday nights. Okay, I'm gonna review the graphs bottom of my list to the top up. As along the day at the morning that I'm reviews about the some pounds pair and euro pairs. That's amazing because of I'm get some of the loose for a $9. Then I'm sincerely tell you about that on my channels. It's a real time for today. But I have some of the technical of the stop loss that just only 2% of my stop loss that will block my account not gonna be collapsed anymore. So it's just about $9 per day today. It's amazing. I make about $70, but I'm lose for $9 today. So whatever. Let me begin review the pound yen first. Start up with this one. On the 4-hour time frames, as you can see on the Kumo right now, the price is almost closely to break up the ground, and we will wait for some of the twisting of the crown, that red line over here and the blue line over here, to twist to be the uptrend on 4-hour time frames. You know, wait for that to be trendy trade strategy occur. You know, when it twists the crowd to back up. But for now, the golden cross is over here. The red line one that called Tenkan-sen is above the blue line, Kishan-sen. But for now, the price is in the Kumo, not just break the Kumo over here, right? And the Tenkan-sen is fresh and Kishan-sen is very fresh too. Maybe we will wait and see until it can break up the Kumo like this, and then go up to the uptrend again. So by now, it look like the pound JPY is gonna be the move like an N wave to make a higher top and higher low, right? Higher top and higher low. It's gonna look like it's moving by this way. What about the one daily time frames? I draw just as the pre-wave over here. The price is obstacle above on this P-wave resistance for 2 times. But now in daily time frame, the Kumo is very fresh. So we will wait for in 4-hour time frames that I says it will be you. Sometimes you just wait for the yellow line. This one front flow is break the Kumo up, and the price break the Kumo up also like this, and just wait for the twisting of the crown. Somehow like this. But for now, the Kishan-sen and Tenkan-sen is very fast. It's not the trendy bullish like now. So in this pound JPY, you still wait and see. When the price is break up even more than this. So if you ask me for set for some alarms around here to get up some point that will be trendy bullish market, all right, I recommend you to make some of remind that if the price can break just this resistance horizontal line that I'm above, so it's just remind our to be looking for the bullish strategy trading, right? Bullish strategy one to be trading. And also from now on, the red line, it is golden cross over here, right? And can be support for 1 time and 2 times. We will set the alarm of this one that we call kitchen sen is angle up like this. It will be a good way to looking for the buy chance, you know, buy chance in 5 and 15 minute time frames for looking for that H1. Alright, so maybe I will set the alarms of the Ishimoku also of this one, sorry, add the alerts on Ishimoku. So I mean I'm looking for some of the not leading span A and B because of this is the above about the crowd. Lacking span is just like the yellow one that, alright, I mean the angle one. So if you're looking for the kitchen sen is up, you know, I will make some of the horizontal line around here. So wait until the blue line here is cross this horizontal line, right? Alright, at this point 140 and 54.5 around here of the kitchen sense is breaking up. Okay, I will setting right now for the alert, and for use this line we call the baseline. Conservation line is the red line one that's corresponding with a correlating with a candlestick is we call conversion line, but the baseline is the blue line that have some gap from the candlestick, right? Alright, it means I will be crossing up with the horizontal line about the value of, you know, already that I'm draw the horizontal line already about the 154.496. Alright, is just about the once per bar that expiration is just about the March 2022. Okay, I'm creating one. Okay, and I get the safe layout for sure of this Ishimoku Rai. So I'm set this already, so I will remove this horizontal line. Okay, and just wait, be patient to be breaks of this point of this baseline cross this one and angle is up and also the red line is up, the price is break this horizontal line to be the above. So on that one, the Kumo may be twisting up already. All right. Oh, okay. So we take some of the 10 minutes after. Okay. So by now I'm will blue flag one around here and go to the next one of Euro JPY. So I'm looking for tonight with the yens pairs. All right. Okay. Can I get up some of high of some dash line first? Okay. Buy now on a Euro JPY. That looks very sideways right now. Maybe I get off some of Ishimoku indicator. Okay. And this one, can I draw some 10 line here? Bottom to the bottom line around here. Again, maybe I will use this bottom, draw to the early bottom here over here. Okay, just like another P wave. Let's look like another P wave one. So of course I will draw this P wave top to the top. Alright, maybe I delete some of this. Okay, for now I will show you the Ishimoku indicator, what will tell you. So by now on the Ishimoku indicator from Japanese style is very squished price, you know. And this cross has occurred in daily time frames. Cross maybe move in between this one and waiting for some break to confirm the direction to be above or below. But on this point of view, it's very spiky on Euro JPY. Hard one for me to trading, right? Okay, zoom in the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart for now. The Kumo is downtrend, right? The baseline of the crowd is fresh, and the red one, the top of the crowd, is up. It look like for now the Kumo is fresh right now. So that's why the price is retracement back to the Kumo again right here. And another one, we have some of the support here. It can support for 1 time, 2 time, 4 times ago of the 4-hour time frames. Alright, it has a significant one of the supports of this line. So we'll drag some of the support area over here. You know, it some of the significant support, and the price is already in the Kumo right now. It may be to obstacle with these crowds and back to downtrend again with a trend of the crowds like this, you know, because of the thickness of the crowds is very much is that mean the price that has a much more momentum to break this, allow this thickness of the crowds. So it maybe can be obstacle and then it went back again. Alright, something that I will tell you, this is some of the also that has some of the obstacle over resistance here area that's obstacle resistant for 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and now it's 4 time of it's the same like the bottom line, so it's sideways right now, but the yellow line, the present value of the price is break the candlestick to be above, is in between the Kishensen blue line one, also is maybe gonna be sideways, so it's hard to tell that how to trade. Simply stay away from euro yen's pair for right now. Okay, let's move to the Swiss franc yen's pairs. Okay, remove some drawing. As you can see on daily time frames, what happened? The Swiss franc pair is very spiky one because there has a lot of weeks, you know. It's very tricky market that you will looking for this for the last, for looking for the opportunity to make up some profits. For now, the death cross is occurring in daily time frame. The blue line is above the red line, sorry, and you know the price is nearly by the crown. It's closely almost to the breakdown the Kumo to be the downtrend, and Kumo may be twist, right? In daily time frame, maybe twist to be the downtrend in the future soon. So by now we'll just wait and see. Wait and see. For this will happen again. It seems like the power JPY that I mentioned before. So by now the price is gonna break the Kumo for the downtrend, right? The price is look like if I hide some of the Ishimoku one, we will see some of the channel of the Swiss franc pairs that look like the slow one. I will draw some trend line over here, bottom to the bottom. If I clone this one and make some significant top to the top area, it's gonna be make sense one. That's just like a channel, another channel one. So the price is about the middle of this channel again, and look like it can be within this channel for 1 time. For 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time, and the price went down over here. Alright, it has some gap to be the bottom again, but the bottom can support the price for 2 times, as you can see. So switch back to the Kumo again. Just wait and see. When Kumo is twist down, the price break Kumo to the downtrend below. Okay, let me zoom in the 4-hour chart to see some. For now, the price is gonna be downtrend right now. The thickness of the Kumo, as you can see, is not much. It's not so thick, but it's not bad. There has some gap between the crown over here, but the crown is also downtrend, and the base of the crown is about to flash, and for now the top of the crown is flash also. So these crowns maybe for this time is fresh right now. It's not good to use for the downtrend strategy. right now to looking for some the good entry edge in 5 hours 15-minute time frames. As you can see in 4 hour time frames with one pair that has a lot of wicks. Oh, it's good to simply stay away of this pair for a moment. But it looks like the price is gonna be downtrend in the future soon, so maybe I hit out some of the price. Okay, as you can see, the yellow line is direction to the Kishinsen, the red one above. The Kishinsen and Tenkan-sen is very fresh right now. It's just about Kumo is fresh, so that's why that I mentioned you before. The price tied to retracement back to the Kumo again. In this way, and maybe have some block again to be the downtrend to that the reasonable to make the crowds to get the downtrend on the bigger time frames, and this also twice. You know that. Wait until that. It's gonna be good market to looking for some the downtrend strategy in 5 and 15-minute time frame to be entry. Alright, maybe I draw some the support right over here. When it's break up, it will be significant to be follow trend downtrend and looking for 5 and 15-minute to entry edge. 1 to follow the downtrend strategy. You know that. When the price can break this line, and also the Kumo is switched to be down angle of the baseline of the crowds and the top of the crowds also, and the Kishinsen and Tenkan-sen is pointing down, right? But for now, in 4 chart, as you can see, there has a long wick here. It looks like a doji one over here, but once it can break, it will be make a move for some. Okay, let me make the alerts alarms around here. When it's break, it can remind me to be looking for some of the good entry edge in 5 and 15-minute time frame, and we will use of the stochastic one here and the Bollinger Bands, and no Ichimoku anymore for looking for some entry edge. Okay, let me zoom in the 1 hour chart if you want to looking for some of the doubting strategy. In 1 hour chart it's not good. For now it's very spiky sideways. What about 30 minutes and also like that? So we just can wait and see. So don't forget some of the hot news. The late one that will be avoid of this the last new. Alright. And also let me back to the remind me with the blue flag one. Okay, for about the power yens that I remarked that price before. For this one is almost to the hot new on this day in the night times. So I will draw the pink line to be remind me to avoid to trading because of the indicator. Any indicator can be forecasting with this big snail that hits a lot of price to be we want to know we won't know which way that it's going. All right. Okay. For this one strategy, I hope it can break up the Kumo to the uptrend strategy and looking for the good entry edge in 5 and 15 minute time frames. Alright, the price for now is just about to break. It's above the late line also in 1 hour chart. You know that. But in the middle time frame, in 30 minute and 1 minute time frames, so by now the price, as you can see, is above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, but the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen show days crossed on 30-minute time frames, but the yellow line is above the candlesticks, but the cloud is flashing right now. It means that for this moment, this present of time in 30-minute time frames tell you that it's not gonna be bullish anymore. So just wait when the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen turn to be golden cross and then angle point up and the top of the cloud is point up and the base of the cloud is point up. I'm not wondering, I'm not no doubts about the thickness. It's not bad. It has some the volume over here. And the price can be suppressed by this crowd for one time and 2 times. We will hope that it can break the horizontal line that I draw before and set around also. That's a good point to be looking for some of buy in 5 and 15 minute time frames. You know that. Okay, this is our strategy about the yen pair. The last ones of this tonight is the chfjpy. Okay, can I remove some drawing and back to the bigger picture? In daily time frames, the Kumo is very fresh, so it's not good to looking for this one right now. We can switch to the 4-hour chart, and also it's the same. The price is already in the clouds. It's maybe just like a jet plane in the storms. It's maybe some of the sideway inside here. It's very hard to tell you which way I'm going. So for a moment, it's just about the 30 minutes left of my Crips video. So I will tell you today is very amazing one. I make the profits for the morning about the euro pound pairs, but about the sum of $80, $89, okay? And for the evening, I'm lost for the euro USD. Alright. I missed one about the $80. So I'm minus no, sorry, I'm about the 96 or $97. So I'm minus about the $9 for day. It's not bad because of we have a 2% of stop loss. If we looking for some, some of opportunity, if the a good entry edge has occurrence when the price hits our the strategy that we planning, that it will be the good way for tonight. I'm flagged for the Swiss franc yens and pound yens already, so let's take some less of me and you and all traders all around the world have a good time and stay with profit and stay calm. No greedy, no moody, no revenge. Stick with the logical of indicator is to plus your probability to win again and again and no lose anymore. So good night for today. Have a good dream. Bye bye.